Hey Aaron, so I took that question you sent me, bud. I just fired her into the calculator and I let the computer do its thing. Honestly, there's no glory to be had here. But what we can talk about a little bit is just interpreting this. So what's happening in this situation is we have more variables than we have rows, right? We have four unknowns, W, X, Y, and Z, but we only have three rows. And ideally, we would have the same number of rows as we do variables so that we could find all of these. So here's what the matrix calculator told me. X1 is 10, so for our purposes, we know W is 10. We know that X is this little expression, -5 minus, now I'm going to use Z because X4 is Z, right? It's my fourth variable in this case. Y just comes out to be 40, and Z is Z. Z is, we have no idea. Z is whatever it wants to be. I don't have enough equations to solve this. So literally what we have to do is we just have to put all this in as an ordered quadruple, right? 10, comma, X with this little expression representing X. Don't forget your negatives. Y is 40, and then Z is Z. So what that means is because we have this situation, we have this true statement, Z is Z, this tells us that there are infinite solutions. Whatever Z is the answer. So you pick any number, we'll blast it in, we'll get the same answer. That means there's infinite solutions. And the computer is trying to denote this by telling me that x4, the fourth variable, is free, which means it's still part of this system, but we don't have enough information to be able to actually solve this yet. So we just leave it. It's on its own. But because of that situation, there are infinite solutions here. Okay, so I hope that helps, buddy. Again, I just busted all this stuff out of the matrix. Again, you could take a look at this and interpret your results, right? W is 10, X minus Z comes out to be -5, and you can just do a little bit of algebra right there on that one. X minus Z equals -5. Get X by itself by adding Z to both sides, that kind of thing, right? That's cool. Oh, I missed the Y there. Never mind. That's a lie. But anyway, we're just doing algebra here, but the computer already does that for me, so don't stress about that too much. Anyways, I hope that helps you, buddy. I hope that answers your question. If it doesn't, let me know.